Okay, so first we're going to start off with the grid like this: pi over 3, pi over 4, and pi over 6, and sine, cosine, and tangent. So first I'm just going to put a 2 in the top 2 rows. We're going to leave tangent for last. So I just put 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then these will all be my denominators. Okay, because we want fractions that are rationalized. We don't want to do all that work later on. So first for sine, I'm just going to put 3, 2, 1. And for cosine, I'm just going to put 1, 2, and 3. Next, I'm just going to put everything under the radical. So 3 and 2, 2 and 3. The reason I don't put 1 under the radical is because square root of 1 is just 1. So you just leave that out. Now for tangent, this might be the harder part to memorize. I'm just going to put 3, 1, and a little 3 here. So this will be under a radical. We leave the 1 because it's just going to be a whole number. And we're going to put this as a denominator, and we're going to put radical 3 on top. So you're done. This is how you basically memorize it for any test. You can just quickly just jot this down and you'll be good to go. You know, if you come across any questions, you will have to determine if it's positive or negative. Even if it asks like tangent of, I don't know, 2 pi over 3, it's going to ask, you could literally just go look up here, and you will see this would be our answer, but you don't know if that would be positive or negative. So here's how we will test this out. So you're going to start with the graph like this. So you see this sentence, all students take calc. So the A stands for all. So all sine, tangent, and cosine will be positive in this quadrant. S, students, that stands for sine, obviously. Sine will be positive in this quadrant. Tangent, take, that will be positive. And calc, cosine. So in the fourth quadrant, cosine would be positive. I'll just label this graph for you really quickly. 0 or 2 pi, pi over 2, pi, and 2 pi over 3. Okay, so let's go to an example here. Cosine of 8 pi over 3. So now we have to figure out cosine of 8 pi over 3. We'll just ignore the 8, and we can notice here cosine, and the denominator is pi over 3 basically, okay? Cosine pi over 3. We'll just do that first. So over here I see cosine pi over 3. So if I just look down here, oh, the answer would be 1/2. But not so quickly. First we need to know, like, is this positive or negative? So we're going to look over here. 8 pi over 3. Well, this would be pi over 3. This would be 2 pi over 3. This would be worth 3 pi over 3, which is basically just pi. It's a whole number. This is 4 pi over 3. This would be 5 pi over 3. And 2 pi over 3, which is basically just 6 pi over 3, meaning it's just 2 pi. Okay, if you simplify it. Okay, so I guess we have to go and rotate a little bit more. 6 pi over 3, this would be 7 pi over 3. And look over here, right over here, 8 pi over 3. So we know 8 pi over 3, that's in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, all students take calc. We know that only sine will be positive, but we're looking for the cosine of 8 pi over 3, meaning this answer will be negative. Thanks for watching.